I am telling you all about the FitVen punching bag that we just added to our home gym. This was by far the best addition, and it was all my idea because not only is it great for working out, but it is also great for releasing some frustration after a long day. The FitVen punching bag is just over 56 inches tall. At the very bottom, you have 12 spring suction cups that keep the punching bag in place. You also have the dual PVC shock absorbers here, and then the 4 springs are for noise silencing. This is heavy, heavy duty. So when they say heavy duty on this punching bag, they absolutely mean it. Between myself and my husband, we have used it many, many times. It doesn't leave any dents. None of this is coming apart here on the outside. It's very well built, and it's layered here on the inside as well too. This punching bag also comes in 2 color options. Shown here is the black, but there is a silver version as well. The punching bag came super easy to assemble. It was all put into 2 boxes. Honestly, the part that took the longest was just filling the bottom here with sand. So I strongly recommend using the sand method. You could also put water in here, but sand is definitely better, and you can get that at your local hardware store. So if you're looking for a great all-around punching bag, I strongly recommend this product. We love it. It's a great addition to our home gym. Go grab yours. I think you're gonna love it just as much as we do.